Singer Zubin Garg's final journey has just begun. Thousands have lined up in Guwahati to pay their last respects. Visuals are coming in from Guwahati at the moment as Assam is bidding a final farewell to its beloved singer Zubin Garg. His funeral will take place at a village in Assam's Kamrup district near Guwahati, and the singer's journey to the cremation ground is to begin from the Arjun Bhogeshwar Barua Sports Complex, where his body was actually kept for public tributes. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has announced that all schools, colleges and universities across the state will remain closed. Do remember that the cremation will be conducted with full state honours. As you know, Zubin Garg died in Singapore on the 19th of September due to drowning after he went swimming without a life jacket. A second autopsy was completed this morning. In fact, my colleagues Ratnadeep Chaudhary and Saurabh Gupta have been tracking the latest developments. Ratnadeep Chaudhary joins us live. He's actually tracking the ambulance at the moment. Let's quickly go across to Ratnadeep for the latest update from Ground Zero. Ratnadeep, it's over to you. Take us through what we should expect.
Well, we are at this moment in the convoy of the final journey of Assam's biggest musical maestro, the cultural icon Zubin Garg. The convoy has started moving from the Bhogeshwar Barua Sports Complex towards the cremation site, and on way you can see our camera person is giving us these live visuals only exclusively on NDTV network, where hundreds of people are lined up on the highway to see the mortal remains of Zubin Garg one last time, to pay their tribute, to pay their respect to the to this singer who has become part of their life. He's somebody who is not merely a singer, a composer. He is a cultural icon, a guardian for at least 3 generations. His songs have carried the emotions and the struggles, the normal life struggles of thousands of people of Assam. And in fact, you can see these frontal shots that our camera person is giving us. People, his fans, following the convoy on their motorbikes along the highway. Remember, the schools and colleges have been kept closed today so that youngsters can come in large number in this last journey of this musical maestro who, remember, in Assam, he has been not only part of the cultural life but a hugely popular philanthropist as well. Somebody who had always stood for the people, somebody who had spoken against the government whenever he felt that the government had taken decisions which were adversely affecting the common people. And there you see the love, affection and the support that he has, the respect that common people have. There are no public vehicles on the road, yet people have walked 4 kilometers to come on the highway and pay their last tribute to Zubin Garg one last time. This is his final journey. This is something which Assam would hold very close to its heart for decades to come. You can see hospital staffs there. They were working there in their uniform. They've come out to pay last tribute. You have youngsters, you have everybody lined up on the highway to give the last tribute to Zubin Garg. He is making his way towards the cremation site, where after the cremation in the months to come there will be a memorial in his memory. A singer, composer who has composed and sung no less than 38,000 songs. He used to sing in 40 languages and could play 12 musical instruments, but beyond that he had a very close connection with people. He would know every other person by name. You ask anybody on the streets of Guwahati, every other person has an anecdote, a story about Zubin Garg and how Zubin Garg had influenced their life. In fact, I have been reporting out of Northeast for the past 15 years. I also have anecdotes about Zubin Garg, interesting anecdotes to share. And like me, there are hundreds and thousands of people. Those people, you can see, they block the highway. They're showering flower petals. This is what a people singer can be. There may be many celebrities, there may be many superstars, but not every artist becomes a people's artist.
Right, as Ratnadeep is reporting, Guwahati stands united in grief as the city bids farewell to one of its brightest stars, Zubin Garg. Thousands have gathered in Kamrup district to pay their last respects, as Ratnadeep Chaudhary is showing us, and the entire state has come to a standstill. As I mentioned, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has announced that all schools, colleges and universities across the state will remain closed today. This as the state mourns the loss of its musical icon. Ratnadeep, for those who can't be there physically, are there meanwhile also arrangements for live streaming of virtual participation?
Absolutely, absolutely. In fact, the entire cremation ceremony is being live streamed on our government web link, which is which has a free access. Anybody who has an access to internet can log on to the Assam DIPR YouTube page and its other social media handle to see this ceremony live. Also across Assam, in every village, in every block, in every district headquarters, there are giant screens which are put in place for people from other districts who have not been able to come to Guwahati to be part of this last journey of Zubin Garg. You can see those emotions. You have people who are walking, trying to follow the convoy on their foot to see Zubin Garg mortal remain one last time. Perhaps this just goes to show the eternal love that he has gained for himself over the 3 decades of public service through his music, through his creations, so through his films. And his fans, his followers, people of Assam in general are now bidding their last goodbye to their superstar, megastars, their heartthrob, somebody who always used to call himself ZZ, Zubin Garg.
Meanwhile, Ratnadeep, are there any fellow artists, are they present paying tribute to Zubin? And what does this actually say about his standing in the Indian industry? Right. I'm told that Himanta Biswa Sarma has also arrived at the cremation ground. Ratnadeep Chaudhary is with us at the moment, tracking the latest. These are live visuals coming in. As you can see, the Chief Minister of Assam is also present there. Ratnadeep, in what ways is the crowd celebrating not just his music, but his spirit, his activism, and the way he actually represented Assam culturally?
Absolutely. If you can see our camera person at this moment giving you this live visuals from the Khanapara area, you can see thousands of people here. They've all blocked the highway. They're just trying to touch the vehicle one time. They're offering prayers by touching the vehicle, and they are offering prayers so that his soul can rest in peace. Remember, Zubin Garg is known as the soul of Assamese society. Today, Assam has not only lost its megastar, it has perhaps lost its soul. His followers will take his music forward. Last 3 days, in our continuous coverage, we have shown how people were singing his immortal numbers in Assamese or in Hindi. Even in Bengali, we had reported and shown those visuals from Kolkata, where one could see how the Bengali industry gave him a tribute. And now Zubin Garg's mortal remains are being brought here in Khanapara. Through Khanapara, a massive bike rally follows it, a bike rally of his supporters, of his followers, of general people as well. And most importantly, while people of the last 3 generations, in Assam have been basically his followers, but what is important to note is the fact that even people who are old and from a different generation, elderly people, they have come out in large number to bless his departed soul so that he can rest in peace. This is the rally of Zubin Garg coming live on NDTV network. We are following the convoy as it makes its way towards the cremation ground. Hundreds of motorbikes following, people running on the streets, people walking on the streets. They just want to behold this last glimpse of their most beloved composer, singer. The mood in every household in Assam for the last 3-4 days has been very gloomy. People have been telling us that they're feeling that somebody from their own household, somebody from their own family is no more. There are families where they have not eaten for days together. Such is the grief. It is not only Zubin Garg's family which has lost a family member. It is each and every family of the 3 crore people who live in Assam perhaps are today in grief. You can see our camera person giving these visuals of Zubin Garg's, the ambulance, decorated ambulance carrying Zubin Garg's mortal remains, and people ushering flower petals, throwing the Assamese gamosa, which is the insignia of Assamese society, on the vehicle. And therefore, in this way, people are showing their tribute to their biggest star that Assam has produced after Dr. Bhupen Hazarika.
Right, Ratnadeep, we will of course keep in touch with you. Thank you so much for taking us through all the live action in Guwahati. As we have been reporting, Guwahati stands united in grief as the city bids farewell to one of its brightest stars, Zubin Garg. In fact, a convoy carrying Zubin's body is on the way to the crematorium from Arjun Bhogeshwar Baruah Sports Complex, where his body was taken after the second post-mortem was completed. My colleague Saurabh Gupta is at the cremation site, tracking the latest developments, tracking all the reactions and the tributes pouring in. Saurabh, from what you're seeing at the moment, how would you sum up Zubin Garg's legacy, not just in Assam, but also beyond?
Well, this is beyond music. This is beyond just a musician. This is beyond what, somebody who's achieved celebrity status can achieve. This is a people's outpouring of love. And the visuals from the cremation ground, which has been set up specifically for this purpose, for a state funeral for, Zubin Garg with all, state honors. He, of course, will get this funeral, and that's because of the kind of crowds that you see. My camera person, Sanjay Chakrabarti, is panning and showing you the visuals from the cremation ground at Sonapur, which is on the outskirts of Guwahati, surrounded by mountains. And, of course, this space has been chosen because it can accommodate the larger crowd that is expected to turn up for Zubin Garg's last rites. And, of course, there are hundreds and thousands of fans. In fact, I will try and get a word also from some of these fans, if possible, to see what they have to say and, what Zubin Garg means to them. So that's one of the things that they're doing. In fact, today as they come here to sort of pay respects to Zubeen Garg for one last time, and this is something that we're seeing here. And obviously a lot of people who are at this place, these are all fans who've come in early in the morning to sort of pay respects to Zubeen Garg. आप लोग कितने सुबह कितने बजे आए?
4 बजे आए हैं हम लोग।
4 बजे।
हाँ।
जुबीन गर्ग आपके लिए क्या है?
जुबिन गार्ग को हम ऐसे डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकते। वो महान व्यक्ति है, हमारे राज्य के सबसे बड़े व्यक्ति है, ऐसे भी हम बोल सकते हैं। हमारा एक संपद है, तो उनका ऐसा देहावसान हो गया, हमारे लिए ये सब मानना मतलब पॉसिबल नहीं है अभी।
सुबह 4 बजे से आप लोग आए?
हाँ।
That's the kind of people's love outpouring that you see. In fact, I'll try and show you if possible on the other side, and in fact we'll be getting live pictures also of the ceremony. These are of course crowds, but on the other side, on my right, is of course the funeral pyre that's been set up for Zubeen Garg's funeral, and the priests have started chanting the last sort of rites, mantra that is usually chanted, the shlokas that are usually chanted when praying for peace for the departed soul. But look at the crowds that have turned up. Look at the crowds that are here at Sonapur. To many, it might be bewildering, given the fact that Zubeen Garg is someone who did achieve celebrity status. But this kind of outpouring of love, of support from a populace is something that perhaps many have not seen, and perhaps in the years to come also it will not be replicated. Like Ratnadeep was reporting, after Bhupen Hazarika, perhaps if one person who's achieved this kind of cult status, if one person who's achieved this kind of love and elevation in the minds of the people of Assam, it is Zubeen Garg. Beyond music, it extends to his philanthropy, it extends to his taking up of social causes and all of that. And therefore, you see this outpouring of grief on the streets of Assam. You see this outpouring of love and support from his fans here at the cremation ground, and all along the route from where the final journey of Zubeen Garg has started. It's of course expected to culminate here, and then of course, with the state honors, Zubeen Garg will be cremated here at this cremation ground that has been set up for this purpose, surrounded by the lakhs of people who loved him, supported him, and will remember him.
Right. Saurabh, meanwhile, can you also share some of the personal stories or tributes you've heard from the fans who have gathered there in Sonapur where you are?
Well, it will take some time for the cottage to reach here because it is a significantly long distance from Khanapara where it's left. But all along the highway also there are people who've lined up. You can see now people holding up posters of Zubeen Garg here, fans who've arrived here. Some of them have arrived, like I said, 4 in the morning, 3 in the morning, much before we got here, to ensure that they have a spot from where they can watch the last rites. And all across, there's been traffic restrictions, etc. have had to be put in place to ensure that everything passes off in an orderly fashion. And the government, of course, the government of Assam has made arrangements here as well. And you can see, of course, people here, massive crowds at the cremation ground here, which has been set up here in Sonapur in Assam for people waiting to pay respects to Zubeen Garg as he arrives here, and as that sort of the coffin makes its way through the streets of Guwahati to the outskirts of Sonapur, where of course the state funeral will be accorded to Zubeen Garg, who's much more than a musician. He's of course attained a status that very few in Assam have.
Indeed. As you can see through the visuals playing out on your screens, thanks to my colleague Saurabh Gupta, who's at the cremation site, Guwahati stands united in grief as the city bids farewell to one of its brightest stars, Zubeen Garg. You can see in these visuals, thousands have gathered in Kamrup district to pay their last respects, and the entire state has come to a standstill. Rathadeep Chaudhary is also tracking the latest for us at the moment. Rathadeep was actually following the ambulance as it makes its way to the cremation site. Rathadeep, what are you hearing from people? We know that Zubin Garg was a cultural icon, but in terms of personal memories, stories that people are sharing, what does it say about his legacy in Assam and across India?
Well, his legacy is not only his music, his legacy is not only the films that he made, but his legacy is the thousands of people who follow him. These people follow him not only for his music, but he is himself a philosophy for these people. He has taught the youngsters that humanity is the biggest factor and one should not differentiate in terms of language, caste, creed, color, or even religion or community. He has always spoken for the unity of different tribes and sub-tribes in the Northeast. And you can see here a sea of humanity, people walking, jogging, running on their motorbikes, whatever way they can, they are either following the convoy that is moving towards the cremation ground or are lined up on the side of this highway, paying their last tribute one last time, that they are able to see the mortal remains of their most beloved. Remember, for people in Assam, during the Bihu, it is an annual ritual to go to any of the Bihu functions of Zubin Garg. Even for me and my family, it would be an annual ritual to make sure that we go and attend at least one Bihu event of Zubin Garg. If I can ask my camera person to pan right, there you can see Zubin Garg's mortal remains, a well-decorated ambulance with flowers, his immortal song Mayabini, which has become an anthem of sorts for the youngsters of Assam, being played in the backdrop, and hundreds and thousands of people, young and old, everybody from different stratas of the society, lined up hands in hand, paying their last salute, their last tribute to this greatest unifier. One would call he is Assam's greatest unifier. He united people beyond religion, beyond caste, beyond creed. His music united everybody.
To maintain law and order, and when he would sing his songs, people would sing along with them, with his songs. People would sing along with him, and that would unite people. So that was the magic of Zubin Garg, and the magic of Zubin Garg is now seen through the lens of NDTV. There you can see hundreds of people following this convoy as it makes its way towards Sonapur, towards that cremation site. And this is an unparalleled sight. I have been reporting out of Northeast India for over a decade now, but I have not seen anything like this. For this 15 years,
For these 15 years, I have not seen anything in Assam or anywhere like this. Perhaps Zubin Garg is a kind of a personality who is absolutely rare. He was a very emotional person, temperamental at times. He would go by his emotions and not logic. He would go by his inner calling and not by what, he will always listen to his heart and not always to his mind. That was Zubin Garg for you. He was an interesting character for many people. But what you see here, as my camera person will show you in a while again, as the convoy makes its way, this is a tribute that perhaps very few people get in their lifetime.